Lately, there's been a lot of buzz around what's known as thematic investing. But did you know, if you've been curious about how to get in on big trends like clean energy, AI, or cybersecurity, thematic ETFs might be the easiest way to start. I'm Zoe, co-founder of Financial Freedom Coaching and financial educator at Words on Wealth, and welcome back to InvestEngine's education series. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what thematic ETFs actually are, the benefits and the risks, and how they compare to more traditional investing strategies, as well as who they're really designed for and how you might use them in your own portfolio. So whether you're brand new to ETFs or just looking to add a bit of trend-driven flavour to your investments, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. So similar to ETFs that track a whole index, such as one that follows the S&P 500, which is the 500 biggest companies in the US, where lots of different sectors are held, thematic ETFs focus on specific ideas or trends. These ETFs hone in on powerful trends that are expected to shape the economy for years to come. They're still ETFs, so generally you still get diversification, transparency, and typically lower fees than managed funds. So why are people getting into thematic ETFs? Firstly, you can double down on what you believe in. So whether it's clean energy, AI, or future tech, it's a way to back the themes that you're most excited about. Secondly, there's real growth potential. So if the trend takes off, these ETFs can seriously outperform the broader market. And additionally, you still get diversification. So one ETF might hold 30, 50, even 100 different companies, all tied to the same theme. So you're still not putting all of your eggs in one basket. Finally, it's way easier than stock picking. Instead of trying to guess which individual company will win and performing all of the relevant analysis on each one, you're backing the whole trend. And the good news is that providers offer expertly researched thematic ETFs, which you can access on InvestEngine. You can find out more about these in the thematic page in the description of this video. Now, let's talk costs. Thematic ETFs usually come with slightly higher fees than your plain vanilla index ETFs, so we're talking around 0.4% to 0.75%. Depending on the provider, and with InvestEngine, you can invest in these in your ISA, SIPP, or even your business account with no platform or account fees. So why is there a higher price tag? Well, these funds take a bit more work. So more research, more data, sometimes more frequent rebalancing, and changes to the portfolio to keep up with fast-moving trends. That said, they're still generally considered more affordable than traditional thematic mutual funds. Just keep in mind, paying more doesn't guarantee better returns. So always make sure that the theme and the fee make sense for you. One of the great things about thematic ETFs is that you can actually see exactly what you're investing in. Most of them publish their holdings every single day, so there's no mystery. You can check on InvestEngine which companies are in the fund and how your money's being used. ETFs are also easier to buy and sell whenever you need. So on InvestEngine, trades are processed once a day, whether you're going for a broad market ETF or something more niche and trend focused. If you're excited about big trends like tech, sustainability, future transport, and don't mind a bit more risk for potential growth, they could be a great fit. Always remember to think long term though, as these themes usually take time to play out. A lot of investors like to use thematic ETFs as part of a core satellite strategy. Basically, you keep the bulk of your money in broad, low-cost ETFs, which form your core, and then sprinkle in smaller chunks for the themes that you really believe in. Thematic ETFs can be your ticket to investing in the biggest trends shaping our future. They let you dive into exciting themes without putting all of your eggs in one basket, offering a smart, diversified way to back what you believe in. Top asset managers are driving innovation, bringing expert research and solid strategies to the table. Are you ready to discover your next big idea? Explore thematic ETFs on InvestEngine and start investing in the future today.